The internet runs on infrastructure, data centers, cloud contracts, and central gatekeepers who control access and cost. For years, that was the only model, and it worked if you were the one collecting the rent. Then something shifted. Decentralized physical infrastructure networks crossed $150 million in monthly on-chain revenue in January 2026. Not from speculation, but from real people paying for storage, compute, wireless coverage, and bandwidth on networks owned by ordinary participants. 440 active projects and over 40 million devices are rebuilding the internet infrastructure layer from the ground up. But most of these networks share one structural flaw, and a new device was designed specifically to solve it. The first generation of DePIN hardware proves something essential. People will participate when the economics make sense. The numbers are no longer theoretical. Helium Mobile deployed nearly 600,000 hotspots, and ordinary hosts earn between $20 and $50 a month from wireless coverage. It broke the telecom monopoly by enabling community-built infrastructure to compete with major carriers at a fraction of the cost. Render Network processes millions of frames each month through distributed GPU clusters, letting creators connect to individuals running high-end cards instead of paying cloud providers. Hivemapper mapped hundreds of millions of kilometers of road using dash cams in everyday vehicles covering 37% of global roads. Lyft and Volkswagen are already integrating that mapping data. Grass.io has 3 million daily active users sharing bandwidth through a simple browser extension, earning $5 to $20 a month while their computers sit idle. Each of these is a functioning business with real on-chain revenue and proof that decentralized infrastructure works. But there is a structural problem. Every DePIN network requires its own dedicated hardware. A Helium hotspot handles wireless coverage but does not share storage or contribute compute. A render node needs an expensive GPU that ages fast, creating a high barrier to entry. To participate across multiple networks, you currently need multiple devices, multiple power draws, and multiple cost bases. A hotspot on the windowsill, a dash cam in the car, a GPU rig in the office, and a separate node for every new project. This fragmentation is the core flaw. Each new DePIN project must roll out dedicated hardware, which is capital intensive and slow to scale. The first wave proved people will participate. The second wave must prove they only need to do it once. NodeLink designed the NX1 to be a foundational layer, a hardware platform that hosts multiple DePIN projects concurrently. One device, one power draw, one connection to your home router, and multiple revenue streams running simultaneously. The NX1 is built by NovaLink, the platform and hardware layer of the Link Group, integrating hardware, a hardened operating system, and a patent-pending control tower. Control tower meters every node and turns clean residential supply into business demand. The hardware specs: an Intel and 150 mini computer with 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5, a 256 gigabyte SSD, dual gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and TPM 2.0 security. Power draw is about 12 watts in typical use, roughly the same as an LED light bulb, making it plug and play. You connect it and it joins the network, but the hardware is only one layer. NovaLink's platform layer offers 3 white-labeled tiers, letting communities and distributors deploy under their own brand. The Partner Hub handles provisioning, billing, and support, while the technology handles the rest. Here is where the multi-revenue architecture